On today's video, we are going to do a fun, easy summer updo, so let's get to it. If you have thinner, fine hair like I do, then putting your hair up can be really difficult if you want to look like you have a lot of hair and not make yourself look bald. So the number one tip I have is to start with a lot of texture in your hair. So the texture that I have in my hair today, I have dry shampoo for product, and then I did a combination of curls with a wand, so 1/2 inch to a 3/4 inch wand, and waves with my Tymo waver. If you want to see how I did that, I will link the video I did for that right here so you can see how I did it. But you literally just alternate curl, wave, all the way around your head, and it gives you a ton of this awesome texture to work with. So then we're going to keep this really simple. I am going to do a center part, but you could do a side part if you want. I'm going to take a couple of chunks, a good amount out in front of either side. You can do less, you can do more, totally up to you. And then I'm just going to brush the rest of my hair back into a ponytail. I am using my fingers and not a hairbrush because I want to keep a lot of texture in this base part of my hair. I don't want it to get smooth. I want it to be like lumpy and bumpy, if that makes sense. I'm going to take a really stretchy hair tie. Stretchy hair ties are easier to work with. You don't have to use a super stretchy hair tie, but it will make your life easier when it comes to these styles. These are the seamless nylon ones. You can usually find them at the dollar store, Walmart, or on Amazon. I do have them in my Amazon storefront, but you can just search nylon seamless hair ties and they will come up. All right, so I'm just going to create a ponytail, and I'm not creating it too close to my head. You can see there's movement there because that's again going to give us the ability to do this, which is tighten it. And then you can see I've got a lump there, but it doesn't matter because we're going to pull our base to loosen everything up. Now this on its own would be really cute. So this is step one, and you could stop here and this would already be a really cute, fun summer updo ponytail style, but we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna pull out a bit more of my hair, so a bit around my ears. I'm actually gonna pull a bit out behind my ears as well. The more you pull out, the kind of more of a messier, undone vibe you're gonna get. You, of course, don't have to pull any out if you don't want to. It's all personal preference. Now we are gonna start taking some bobby pins, and I'm just gonna grab chunks of my hair. I am using a dark bobby pin so you can see it, but I do suggest using bobby pins that match your hair. So I'm just gonna grasp sort of halfway down my strand of hair. I'm gonna twist it in on itself and stick it in, but I'm gonna leave the ends out. I'm not gonna tuck the ends in. I've done styles like this before, but usually I tuck the ends in, giving us like a really more neat bun. But this time I'm going to leave my ends out. So instead of grasping the hair around the end with the bobby pin, I'm grasping it more towards the middle of the strand so the end is out. And then instead of creating a loop, I'm gonna just sort of push it back into where the hair tie is, and I'm gonna leave those ends out. Oops. Just like that. And I'm just gonna do this all the way around until I've kind of pinned up all the loose bits into this sort of bun updo style, and until I'm happy with the way it looks. So you can probably see that I actually left a few pieces completely out and didn't pin those at all because I like that kind of loose falling out look. But this is a really fun fast, easy way to put your hair up. It's like an updo. It's really pretty. It's really fun. It's messy, so it's very, very forgiving and very beginner friendly. It doesn't have to be very polished and put together to look nice. Can loosen our base just a little bit more if we want to. And there we go. Super fast, super easy, and yeah, one of my favorite ways to throw my hair up really quickly for the summer. So I hope that helps and gives you a fun, easy style that you can try in your thin, fine hair this summer. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I am constantly posting tips, tricks, products, and style suggestions for your thin, fine hair. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.